I discovered a channel that accumulated 43,000 subscribers using only 6 videos. Today, I'll reveal their complete strategy and show you how to replicate their success using entirely free tools. Each video runs approximately 2 minutes, making content creation incredibly manageable. According to Social Blade Analytics, they're generating between $250 and $3,000 monthly from just these 6 videos. This particular niche offers minimal competition with exceptional scalability potential. They've mastered a profitable formula, and I'm going to break down their exact methodology so you can implement it immediately. Everything we'll cover uses completely free resources. Let's begin. Your first priority is selecting a distinctive color theme for your channel. This creates brand recognition and helps your content stand out in a crowded marketplace. The channel I analyzed uses light red as their signature color. I'll demonstrate using blue as our theme, but you can choose any color that creates visual impact. For naming and channel descriptions, leverage ChatGPT with targeted prompts. Through this process, I developed the name Grovix for our example channel. We'll use Canva to design both logo and banner graphics. The logo will be text-based and minimalist for maximum impact. Select custom dimensions of 2000 by 2000 pixels for a square format. Upload your chosen brand color image for consistency, then add a square element from the Shapes menu. Insert your channel name using a distinctive font and apply black text for contrast and visibility. Add subtle design elements while maintaining simplicity throughout the design. Download your completed logo through Canva's share function. Set dimensions to 2560 by 1440 pixels for optimal display. Create a minimalist design using your brand color and add compelling text like "Be the best version." Ensure text is centered and appropriately sized for mobile visibility while maintaining font consistency with your logo design. Upload your logo and banner to your new channel. The visual elements should integrate seamlessly with YouTube's interface. For channel optimization, utilize rapidtags.io to generate relevant keywords. Input your niche terms, motivational, self-improvement, and copy the generated tags. Navigate to your channel settings, select the channel tab, and paste these keywords for improved discoverability. Successful video concepts must capture viewer attention and drive clicks. Use ChatGPT with this specialized prompt structure to generate compelling video ideas tailored to your niche. Request multiple video concepts to build your content pipeline. I generated 5 unique ideas to demonstrate this process. If you're finding value in this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to support channel growth. Join my Telegram channel for all prompts and additional resources, link in description. After analyzing over 10 competitor videos, I developed a superior prompt for script generation. Let's use the topic "You're not burnt out, you're just addicted to comfort" as our example. Input your chosen topic into the ChatGPT prompt to generate a complete video script. The output includes strong hooks and maintains engagement throughout the entire narrative. Convert your script to professional audio using 11 Labs or similar AI voice platforms. 11 Labs provides 10,000 free credits monthly, sufficient for approximately 15 videos. Select voices that don't consume double credits to maximize your allocation. I recommend Adam, a deep, energetic voice perfect for motivational content. Generate your voiceovers and organize them in a dedicated folder for easy access. Many successful channels incorporate movie clips, but copyright compliance is crucial. Here's the legal framework. Following YouTube's community guidelines, there are 3 main conditions you need to follow. First, you can only use a relatively small part of the original content, specifically 1 to 2 second clips maximum. Second, you need to use multiple sources, so within any 3-second span, incorporate clips from 3 different shows or movies. Third, modification is required where you must add sound effects and remove original audio. Finally, ensure your content differs significantly from the original context through transformation. Following these 3 conditions ensures compliance with YouTube's community guidelines. Combine stock footage with brief movie clips for dynamic visuals. For movie clips, download from yarn.com by searching relevant terms. For stock footage, utilize Pexels or similar free stock platforms. Gather all necessary visual elements before beginning the editing process. Create a new project with 16:9 aspect ratio and import all visual materials and voiceover files. Add the voiceover to timeline first, then layer corresponding visual clips to match audio segments. Apply a custom adjustment layer across the entire timeline and adjust color tone to match your brand theme, such as blue in our example. Maintain consistent visual identity throughout the video. Use CapCut's auto caption feature for accessibility and customize caption styling for brand consistency. Review and adjust timing for accuracy throughout the video. Export your completed video and review the final output for quality assurance. You're not depressed. You're bored. You're distracted. You're living a life so far from your potential, your soul is begging you to wake the F***ck up. Let's design compelling thumbnails using Canva. Set dimensions to 1920 by 1080 pixels and incorporate your brand color scheme. Add clear, readable text with your video title and include relevant silhouette figures or graphics from Canva's Elements library. Experiment with different layouts until you achieve maximum visual impact, then download your thumbnail. This comprehensive strategy demonstrates how successful YouTube channels generate substantial revenue with minimal content. The key lies in consistent branding, strategic content creation, and understanding platform optimization. If this tutorial provided value, please like, subscribe, and comment with topics you'd like covered next. Want to accelerate your channel growth using free tools? Like this video to see that tutorial next.